This real estate advantage property video is presented by Alicia Spontaneo. Step into this exquisite Maynard European-style home, meticulously maintained and brimming with charm. Nestled within Panama Central School District, this home offers an inviting open-concept floor plan, featuring 3 spacious bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. The basement level of this captivating home is a retreat in itself, boasting a large family room complete with a cozy fireplace, perfect for gatherings and relaxation. This level also includes a fully accessible laundry area, a full bathroom, and 2 generously sized bedrooms. The main level greets you with a bright bedroom equipped with a convenient half bath, and a large kitchen bathed in natural light that flows effortlessly into the expansive dining and living areas. The thoughtful design extends to the outdoor space, where a newer balcony access from the living room provides a tranquil escape with serene nature views, a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Don't miss the opportunity to make this enchanting home yours. Delayed